stacked against you, girl. Get back in bed. But I feel lucky. Oh, I feel lucky. Yeah. No Professor Doom gonna stand in my way. I feel lucky today. The clerk, the pot's 11 million, so I called in sick to work. I bought a pack of Camels, a burrito, and a Barks. Crossed against the light and made a beeline for the park. The sky began to thunder, the wind began to moan. I heard a voice above me saying, girl, you better get back home. But I feel lucky. Oh, I feel lucky. No tropical depression gonna steal my sun away. I feel lucky today. Now 11 million later, I was sitting at the bar. The house a double and the waitress a new car. Dwight Yoakam's in the corner trying to catch my eye. Lyle Lovett's right beside me with his hand upon my thigh. The moral of the story, it's simple but it's true. Hey, the stars might lie, but the numbers never do.